all, this is Harry J from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another fixing video. You can see I have iPhone 12 in front of me. This is one of the basic fix for black screen of death of iPhone 12. This could be applied in iPhone 11 and other version. Could be iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, whatever you have. The process, the combination of the key almost same. For another iPhones would be different. Very simple. For example, you think your phone is dark, black. Pretend this phone is black. You can listen the notification and other things, or you may not listen nothing. So you have to reset your phone. So what you have to do, the combination is very easy and simple. You're listening something or you may not listen anything. This is not waking up, for example. So what you have to do, very simple. You see here, your volume up, volume down, then you have to hit, and the power button here. You have to hold power button. So volume up, volume down, and power button. So I do that. Volume up one time, volume down, then hold the power button. Don't leave the phone. Pretend this is black, nothing is here. Nothing is happening. Just hold that for a long time and wait till you see Apple logo. You see here is Apple logo. So phone is reset. In this case, you're not gonna lose any data, anything, nothing at all. Only it will reset your phone, something as restart your computer. Similar process. If this doesn't work, what you have to do, let me show you the next process. The next process is very simple. You have to connect with the charger of your iPhone. Connect with the charger and wait 1 minute. Pretend this is not working, it's dark. Wait 1 minute till phone charge a little bit. Sometimes could have a problem of charger, and you can try with another charger of another people. If your charger is not working, you can check with different charger of different people. Maybe your charger is dead and phone is not working. So you try the same way. Volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. Let's see. So you see Apple logo, so the phone is restarted or reset, you can say this way. Shut down this one. So pretend the phone is dead, is a dead skin, you not listen anything. So let's start this button, let's see how it's going on. I hit volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. The Apple logo is here. This phone is alive, that's why it's working properly in all the cases. In your case, it may not work, most probably work. If it doesn't work, I have tons of video fixing black screen of iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone X, iPhone 6, 7, almost all type of iPhone with computer, manually, whatever you want. I have video. Check those video, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.